I'm okay, even if I wasn't being considerate, even if I was distracted, even if I ignored her. Like, what would be so terrible? Like, I'm working with myself in that moment to not go into shame around these accusations. So just to give you an insight into what's happening in me is I'm going, okay, all right. So this person sees me as unreliable and ignoring. And so what would it be like to simply say in that, if I can do that, if I can help myself to say, got it. So yeah, when I didn't get you the information that you needed in the way, at the time that you needed, neutral observation, I'm going to neutralize that piece. I didn't get that to you. You began thinking that I'm ignoring you, that I'm unreliable, that it creates a lot of distress for you. You want to be able to trust that I'm going to get things to you. And you want me to know that that's really painful for you when that doesn't happen. Got it. Yeah, it didn't happen. I didn't get it to you. And, you know, I can see that that was painful. And that it also sounds like what you're trying to do now to protect yourself is to create more distance between you and me. And I feel sad about that. Would you like to know what was actually happening for me, or you're not open to that yet? So first, I'm going to fully receive their experience, and I'm going to work with the part of me that can get defensive about my identity. And I'm just going to join them in their world. And then before I move to me, I'm going to ask them, are you open or not yet? Do you want to hear about what was true for me or not yet? Because if I just start with it, it's going to come across as defensiveness and explanation. But I also, if I don't ask, then I'm just like enabling this false perception of everything. So I'm planting a seed that there is a different explanation, but I'm waiting until somebody wants it before I give it to them.